Howdy, partner. Ever heard a critter that sounds more like your Uncle Larry snoring than an actual animal? Well, saddle up. Today we're wrangling some mystery animal sounds. Now don't go riding off just yet, because one of these noises comes from a tiny critter that's tougher than a cowboy's boots. And another? Well, let's just say it sounds like a barn door slamming shut in the wind. Stick around till the end, because I'll reveal which animal can scream louder than a saloon fight on Saturday night. You'll never guess who it is. If you reckon you can outguess me, drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button faster than a tumbleweed in a desert storm.